Hello again. As we go through the next couple of days and nights, it's going to be mild for the time of year till we get to later on Saturday when it's going to turn that bit colder. The other thing about the weather for the next few days is it's going to be mostly dry. Now there is some patchy light rain and drizzle in the forecast, and there's some heavier rain today across Scotland. But you can see the mild yellows across the chart. But look at this squeeze in those isobars. It's going to turn windier across the Western Isles later on. So increasingly the rain will become confined to the northwest. There will be a bit more cloud at times in western areas generally, producing some patchy light rain or some drizzle, but not all the time. Some brighter breaks as well. But the lion's share of the sunshine today will be across some central and eastern areas. And these black circles represent the average wind speeds. Our temperatures, 8 in Lerwick to 13 in London and Norwich. Temperatures at this time of year, we'd expect round about 7 in Edinburgh to 9 in London. Now through this evening and overnight, our weather front sinks south across Scotland and Northern Ireland as a weakening feature. When it gets into Northern England, it starts to pivot because tomorrow it's going to be pushing northwards. But ahead of it, you'll see a lot of clear skies, a few showers in Scotland, and also gales across the far north and the Northern Isles. Further south, we'll also have some clear skies, and it's going to be a mild night. Through tomorrow then, this is our weather front which has pivoted, heading back towards the northeast as a weak feature. So after a bright start in some eastern parts, you can see how this patchy rain moves across Scotland, out of Northern Ireland and across Northern England. Where it's come further south, we're looking at brighter skies and also some sunshine. The white circles represent the average wind speed. So again, not particularly windy tomorrow, with the wind easing across the far north. Temperatures 7 to potentially 14 around the London area. Then beyond that, so we've got the mild conditions on Friday, but as we head on into Saturday, this cold front is coming our way. Now, as it sinks southwards across us all, it will bring some rain, but it will be weakening all the time. But look at the blues representing the cold air. But high pressure is still in charge. So even though it's going to be colder on Sunday, it still is going to be fairly settled. But behind the weather front in Scotland on Saturday, there'll be winteriness on the hills in the north of Scotland later, potentially to lower levels, but sunnier on Sunday.